Hi, today's question in my one question tutorial about Pinterest is how can I leave a comment on a pin I save and how can I follow that account? So let's move over to my computer and take a look at that. So here we are at my computer. So let's go to my DIY folder and take a look at this one that we pinned one of the very first day. We can see here that this person has an account on Pinterest. We have a profile picture here and they have 71.1 thousand followers already. Down here we see some comments. I can leave my own comment here. Very pretty. Hit done and there is my comment. Let's say that I want to follow this person. I can either click the follow button right here, but maybe I want to look first at what they have to offer. Just scroll through here and see. This actually looks like a little bit of everything and I would be interested in follow this account. So I just click follow. And it says following their created pins will show up in your home feed. That means that when they make a pin of their own, they're uploading something that will show up on my home page. If they repin someone else's pin, it doesn't necessarily show up if it isn't a person that I am following as well. If we now go back to my profile, you can see here one following and here it is. If I click that, I can see who I'm following and I can also unfollow directly from here. Let's try one more. Try one here from my journaling board. Let's take a look at that. At the Sprouts, we offer practical real-life tips and inspiration to help you create your best home and your best meal. So this is more of my style here. So let's follow this. If you look up here, when they have these multiples here, it shows that it's what's called an idea pin. And if you are interested in learning how you can create your own idea pin, you are welcome back tomorrow. Hej då!